Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, we are all under this global lockdown, but that does not stop us from showing you recipes. Well, today's recipe is very simple. You can make it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Choice is absolutely yours. Whether you call it a Desi pizza, or you call it a Desi frittata, or you call it an open-faced sandwich toast. Well, whatever you call it, I would like to call it an omelette pizza. Let's begin. First things first, let's heat an omelette pan on high flame, and to this let's add in oil. Well, this is regular vegetable oil. You can also, of course, by all means use olive oil or butter. Swirl this in the pan and allow this to heat on high flame. While this is heating up, let's quickly whisk 2 eggs. Well, as basic as salt and pepper. Once the oil heats in the pan, let's transfer the whisked eggs. While the eggs are still soft and runny, we need to lower the flame and place sliced bread. What I have done is just cut them into halves and applied some butter. Well, the buttered side will be facing you. We need to press this lightly so that this kind of literally gets attached onto the egg. You see, it's still soft and runny, but I'm sure it's done at the base. You need to flip this lightly, like so. With very light hands, ensure that you do not break this. Now, on low flame, you need the bread to become nice, crisp and golden brown at the bottom. And trust me, you could also do this with a chapati, naan or roti. On top of this, I'm going to apply some pizza sauce. Well, this is homemade. You'll see that this was actually a base of a sabzi. So literally, you can also do this with any sabzi base. Of course, by all means, you can also use the proprietary pizza sauce that you get in the bottles or in the market. Once this is done, and trust me, you need to do all of this on low flame. Need to add just a little bit of black pepper, and on low flame you need to start grating cheese. Well, this cheese is your regular processed cheese which was kept frozen, because then you kind of get a good grip of the cheese. Once the cheese is grated on top of the pizza, start placing slices of tomatoes. Well, of course, by all means, you can use any vegetable that you have with you. Of course, capsicums, mushrooms, bell peppers, anything that you want. It could be baby corn, sweet corn, peas, literally, but I'm making it as basic as onions, tomatoes and chilies because I like it that way. For me, literally, an omelette or an egg is incomplete without chilies. So for me, lots of green chilies, but again, you could use some chili flakes and also some Italian herbs. This could go very well with thyme or basil, but choice is yours again. Little more cheese on top of this. The next step is to cover this and cook it on low flame for literally a minute or so that the bread becomes nice and crisp and the omelette still stays nice and soft. The cheese has just kind of begun to melt. If you see the bread, it's become nice, crisp and golden brown at the bottom. With this, our omelette pizza is straight to go on the dinner table. With this, my omelette pizza is done and ready. Now this can go directly on the dinner table. That's one. Secondly, what you can do is you can just drizzle this with either some extra virgin olive oil if you have, or some garlic oil, or some melted garlic butter, or some pesto. Well, on that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and make this for your family and friends this lockdown.